Hey guys, this is Maria from resize.com, and in this video I will show you how to add link sticker to Instagram story. Instagram has recently replaced the swipe up link feature with link stickers in stories. Follow these steps and you'll figure out how you can use them. Go to your Instagram profile tab and hit the plus icon at the top of the screen. Select the story option from the pop-up menu. As soon as the story camera opens, take the photo, record the video, or upload the visual from your phone's gallery. Click on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Find the link sticker option and press on it. Then enter your link and tap Done in the upper right corner. The link sticker has several design options, so click on the sticker and choose the one you like. Now you may resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen. Don't forget that you can also use effects, draw or write something on your story. Once your story is ready, hit the Send To button and share your story to Instagram. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add link sticker to Instagram story. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at resize.com.